Good morning, my dear students. Today we will take theorem 7.5 of triangles class 9. It is, if in two right triangles the hypotenuse and one side of one triangle are equal to the hypotenuse and one side of other triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. In two right triangles, let's take triangle ABC and triangle DEF, in which angle B and angle E are right angle, and the hypotenuse AC and DF are equal, and one side let AB and DE are equal. So given that in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, angle B equal to angle E equal to 90 degree, it is right angle. Hypotenuse AC and DF are equal, and one side AB and one side DE both are equal. AB and DE are equal. We need to prove that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. We have already learned three congruence rule, that is SAS, ASA, AAS and SSS. Now we will take RHS. We have to prove this. For this purpose we need construction, that is extend EF. We have to extend this up to G, such that this one BC and GEG are equal. This side and this one are equal. So let's write this construction. Extend or produced. Extend FE to G such that BC equal to GE or EG is equal to BC. Proof. And we have to join DG and join DG. Let's prove this. In proof, let's take triangle ABC and triangle DEG. In triangle ABC and triangle DEG, if this one is 90 degree, and then this one must be equal to 90 degree, so we can write angle D is equal to angle D. First we have taken triangle ABC, then DEG, so we have to first write sides and angle of triangle ABC, that is, so angle B is equal to angle E, means angle E of triangle DEG. It is given that AB and DE are equal, and by construction BC and EF are equal. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEG. If two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding sides and corresponding angles must be equal. So triangle ABC and DEG are congruent, so we can write angle C and angle G are equal. So this implies that angle C is equal to angle G. First we have to write angle C, then we have to write angle G. Let it be equation 1. And corresponding sides AC and DG must be equal. Let's write this, and AC equal to DG, and it is given that AC is equal to DF, and given that AC equal to DF, AC equal to DG and AC equal to DF. So from here we can write DG is equal to DF. let's see DG and DF. This one is DG and this one is DF. This is the sides of triangle DGF. So two sides of one triangle are equal, so their corresponding angles must be equal, that is angle G and angle F must be equal, these two. This implies that we can write angle G equal to angle F, equal to angle F. And we have already written angle C equal to angle G, and we got angle G equal to angle F. We can also write angle F equal to angle G in reverse order. Angle F is equal to angle G. Let it be equation 2. See this, angle C equal to angle G and angle F equal to angle G. This implies that angle C equal to angle F. From equation 1 and 2, let's write this. From equation 1 and 2. Now compare triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Now in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, what are equal? My dear students, please write this much, then go to that site. Now in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, what are equal? That is angle B equal to angle E, it is given. Angle B is equal to angle E. Both are 90 degree. BC equal to EF, it is given. And we have proved angle C equal to angle F. Angle C is equal to angle F. So by the criteria of ASA congruence rule, we can write triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. ASA, angle side angle congruence rule. Now theorem 7.5 is proved. Thank you.